Hi guys! I'm back! Welcome back to my channel!
Umpisa na natin.
Medyo nalilito lang ang tatay niyo kung anong pipiliin ko dito sa dalawang to. And basically may mga nakatago pa rin ako na TTF. TTF, na slingshot. Doon sa mga nakakakilala sa akin, mapapansin niyo puro OTT ang gamit ko. Doon sa mga hindi nakakaalam, I started with the TTF slingshot from Master Radtech JV Bailon. Actually, dalawa yung binili ko doon. Ni Raffle pala. Isang OTT at isang TTF. At that time, hindi ko pa alam kung ano yung OTT at TTF. Ang tinitignan ko lang talaga kung ano yung maganda sa mata. So basically, yung OTT napunta sa anak ko, I1 MIG. I tried the TTF. That time, siguro soda can at around 5 meters. Happy na ako, tumatama. Pero habang lumiliit yung target ko and lumalayo yung distance, hindi na tumatama. Wala pa naman akong alam at that time, so I tried the OTT, hiniram ko sa anak ko. And surprisingly, sa OTT, medyo mas accurate ako. So from then on, hindi na ako humawak ng TTF. Puro OTT na lang ako, and this time, I am planning na mag-try ulit ng TTF. Kumbaga, bagong challenge naman para sa akin. Sa mga beginners o sa mga hindi pa alam kung ano yung OTT and TTF, ang OTT is over the top. Meaning, ang kanyang bands ay dito sa ibabaw manggagaling. And TTF naman, through the forks ay sa side naman. Meaning, through the forks ang pagdaan ng projectile niya. Doon sa mga interested kung ano yung difference ng OTT and TTF, I think may video ko nun and I put that link dito sa description. Anyway, ba't ko nga ba hinahanda at pinagpipilian itong dalawang TTF na to? Kasi meron na naman tayo sanction tournament. Wow! Finally! Very excited ang tatay nyo because sa hinaba-haba nang wala akong practice, finally, makakapaglaro na ulit ako ng slingshot sa tournament pa. Very excited talaga tatay nyo. There has been no tournament for the past couple of months. Thank you, Marksman. Sila po ang nag-organize ng sanction tournament in coordination, of course, with the Philippine Slingshot Federation. The tournament, natataranta tatay nyo? The tournament is titled Shoot to Thrill 2. It will be held in Parang Playground Gym at the Parang Marikina. This coming Sunday na po yan, October 6, 2024. And of course, it will start around 7 or 8 a.m. for the registration and onwards na yun. So malapit na, ilang tulog na lang tayo kung makakatulog ang tatay nyo. I am really very excited kasi lahat ng laro ng marksmen is very challenging and exciting. What can you expect on Shoot to Thrill 2? Siyempre, yung main competition natin, which is 10-meter distance, 10 spinner targets, and 10 ammunition. Category is beginners, pros, masters, seniors, and ladies. Then, we have the King of 15 meters. Ito naman po yung mas malayo distance. It would be a 15-meter challenge, no, to test your precision. Medyo pahirap ang competition natin. And after the King of 15 meters is the Battle of the Shooting Styles. Medyo bago to. It's all about the floating anchor. There would be two categories for this shooting style. Yung half butterfly and full butterfly. So there would be champion for each of that. And then, if I'm not mistaken, paglalabanin yung dalawang styles. So, doon natin kukunin ang champion ng Battle of Shooting Styles. And finally, there is the much anticipated Team Challenge. I'm not sure entirely kung anong gagawin, pero last time it was a relay course, no? Composed of 6 members yata, if I'm not mistaken. So, surprise na lang yun. Let's start preparing now. Sharpen those skills and practice na kayo. Kayo lang makaka-practice eh. Ako doon na lang. Anyway, happy lang naman ako. See you all on October 6, 2024 at Parang Playground Gym in Parang Marikina. Shoot to Thrill 2. Let's make this an unforgettable tournament. Thanks for tuning in and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you!
Gago na pala yung suggest Mike. Kala ko that's all for today's video. Bye-bye.
At dun sa mga nakakaalam, no, yung last marksman shoot to thrill, very exciting talaga and very challenging. So, now, there is marksman shoot to thrill 2. So, mas lalo nyong aabangan.
Saglit lang. Bilis lang.
Yung biglang namatay yung ilaw.
Rolling. Wala, matagal na eh.
Mahirap pag matagal lang hindi ka nagbablog. Tingnan mo, bigla ka namatay ng ilaw
Di mo alam.
Hindi ka maka-adlib.
Sorry guys.